guys subscribe to my channel before you get started. Hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications, and thumbs up. So if you saw the last three.
Seahawks go today, sweetie.
What?
The Seahawks are going to be on TV tonight.
Yes! Yes. I haven't seen the Seahawks in like forever. I only seen the.
Forever?
Yeah, I never saw them play in a long time. What about the Huskies? Why did the Huskies never come on?
Their season doesn't start for another couple weeks.
Aww. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna make something. I don't know. Nothing maybe. So I'm just gonna make something random. I'm gonna grab a ball. And then I'm gonna grab a magnet on top of that ball. Then I'm gonna grab a ball on top of that magnet. Then I'm gonna grab a magnet on top of that ball. Then I'm gonna grab a ball onto that magnet. I'm probably just gonna keep doing this repeatedly. So it might take a long time. So bloop. Okay, boop. This is making a really cool thing. I'm gonna use every single one of my balls that I have. Okay. Woo. This is all the regular balls. I'm gonna add in the big balls and the mini balls. Oh, okay, I have a big ball. There. Woo. Okay. It's getting a little heavy. Grab another ball, okay. I'm gonna grab a tiny ball. The best way to get balls out of those tiny holes is to just put a magnet on. Sometimes it won't work. Maybe give it a little, start with it. You know what? You're just not cooperating. Or you can take out the whole thing and then pop them out. That's the best way. Okay. Got a little ball. Now I just have one more little ball. Whee. Okay. Then I could add on the final magnet. Okay, this is the really long thing. It's my knee all the way down to my foot. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And I could like put it into anything. Okay. There, so I put it together. Do you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a wacky track. You know those kind of fidgets? Oh my gosh. So cool. But it does break easily. Just to tell you that. I'm gonna try to make a heart out of it. The balls are talking. Okay. Gonna let the balls go. Oh my gosh. They're actually really stuck together. Okay, there. I did kind of ruin this up, but whatever. Ooh, this looks cool. Ah! I could use this as a jump rope. Okay. Okay. Jump rope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It broke. When I snap, you'll be hypnotized into my magnet wine thing. Whee! Wait, this thing is bigger than my face. Oh, I could be a little. That's so cute. Okay, here we go. Oop. Okay. Just gonna face it at you for a second. Now look down. Okay, now you're done. I'm a princess. Ah. Oh! Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you want to see more videos of my magnets, comment down below. And subscribe to the Family Adventures channel. We go on adventures a ton of times. I go on hikes a ton of times. Oh, this weekend, or this Tuesday is my sister's birthday. So, but this Sunday is her birthday party. So if you want me to record her birthday party, you could go to my channel and click right here, and also click down below. If you swipe up your screen a tad bit, you see a red button that says subscribe. Hit that button, okay? And there's also one that shows a thumbs up. Hit that one too, okay? Tell your family members to subscribe too, and grab all your family's devices and subscribe and like to the adventures that we always go on. I have a video that is called Girls Are Better Than Al. That was a really funny video. It was when this whole house was still woods and trees. And I was saying about I'm getting a new boy in my class. This was when I was 5 and I'm 7 now. I was saying when I was getting a new boys in class, I was like, why do I never get like new girls in my class? It's always boys. So I was like girls are better than, and then a tree branch hit me right in the eye there. So I was like, girls are better than, ow! It was so funny. Go watch that video, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. Bye.